Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Your Emeril Lagasse pressure air fryer is an incredibly versatile appliance. It's actually 12 different appliances in one, with 44 different functions. The innovative one-touch presets perfectly calibrate the time, pressure, and temperature, so the meals you cook are meals you'll love. Operating your Emeril Lagasse pressure air fryer is easy. Let's take a look at how to do it. First, place the Emeril Lagasse pressure air fryer on a clean, flat surface. Put your food in the inner pot to pressure cook, and lock on the lid. For more details on how to properly put on the pressure lid, please consult your owner's manual or watch the special video we have prepared for using the pressure lid. Now, select the pressure cooking mode from the front panel display. It will turn blue. You can then select from 14 pre-programmed pressure cooking settings. Your choices are custom, beef, poultry, fish, pork, ribs, vegetables, beans, egg, barley, quinoa, risotto, white rice or brown rice, and bake. When the dial highlights the food type you are cooking, push it in to confirm your choice. The display will then show the default cooking time for the preset. Some presets feature multiple cooking time options. If so, turn the program dial to switch between short, medium, or long. Or if you would like to adjust the cooking time manually, push the time button and rotate the program dial to select your choice. Simply push in the dial to confirm your selection. The process is the same when you choose the sous vide function, only you do not use the pressure lid or the air frying lid. Follow the instructions in your owner's manual to prepare your food for the sous vide process. When you're ready, start by pressing the sous vide button on the display panel. You can choose between beef, poultry, fish, pork, vegetables, and eggs. To steam, use the optional tempered glass lid and press the steam button on the display panel. Choose from fish, eggs, or vegetables. You can also sauté with the unit uncovered by pressing the sauté button and making your choice between beef, poultry, pork, ribs, or vegetables. To slow cook, use the tempered glass lid and choose the slow cook button. You can select between beef, poultry, pork, ribs, or vegetables. To air fry, use the special air frying lid. For more details on how to use this lid, consult your owner's manual or watch the specially prepared video that shows you how to use your air fryer lid. Once the air frying lid is on, push the air fry button and choose between custom, beef, poultry, fish, pork, ribs, or vegetables. To can, follow your canning guide in the owner's manual and use the pressure lid. Press the canning button when everything is ready. And to make yogurt, follow the preparation guide in the manual and then press the yogurt button. That's all there is to it. You can choose from 44 functions and have the power and versatility most chefs only dream about with your Emeril Lagasse pressure air fryer.